welcome to our summer reading program, Oceans of Possibilities. I'm Miss Janelle.
And I'm Miss Cynthia.
We are going to have fun reading and learning about the oceans with your free Grab and Go activity kits.
A special thanks to the Friends of the Buckeye Public Library, the Verada Rotary for sponsoring this free kit.
If you don't already have a kit, you can pick one up at the downtown library, Coyote Branch, and even on the bookmobile.
In your kit, you will find a booklet with interesting facts about each weekly topic.
You will also find all the materials that you will need to complete each activity, a free bookmark, and a game board to help you track your daily minutes read so you can enter them online later.
And don't forget to visit our website at buckeyeaz.gov/library for hours, locations, and fun online resources.
This week's theme is all about one of my favorite animals, sea turtles.
Did you know, Janelle, that the first few years of their lives, all sea turtles live in the open ocean?
I did not know that, Cynthia.
Pretty good fact.
That's very cool. Thank you for sharing. Let's learn more about sea turtles with this week's activity.
Now today we're going to show you how to make swimming sea turtles. Aren't these adorable?
They're so fun and so cute.
They are very cute.
Baby sea turtles. Stay tuned for the secret code at the end of this video. Let's get started.
Let's get started.
To make your floating sea turtles, you will need the foam sheet, your turtle template, your scissors, and the 6 jewels from your kit. Our first step is you're going to cut out your turtle template. Just like this. Once it is all cut out, you're going to place it on your foam sheet and trace around. You're going to do that 4 times. So you should have a total of 4 turtles traced on your sheet. Now you're ready to cut them out. You're all done. You have 4 turtles. Using your jewels, you can decorate the shells of 3 of your turtles. You can use as many jewels as you want on 3 turtles, but leave the last turtle with no jewels. That is our floating sea turtles. One thing that you can do that could be super fun is you can fill up a tray with water and you put just a little bit of soap on your turtle's legs and tail and set them on the water and see what happens. You and your whole family can sign up for the summer reading program at maricopacountyreads.org and select Buckeye Public Library. Don't forget, the program ends on August 1st.
You will earn 1 point for each minute that you read. See you next week for more fun.
Bye!